Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will explain about what is JSON, JSON representation, JSON structure, JSON APIs, which APIs used to we can develop JSON and JSON example. So let's get started. It is most important interview question. Here, first point, JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. JSON stands for JavaScript object notation. This is the first point. It is a process of object representation in JavaScript language. It is a process of object representation in JavaScript language. It is a process of object representation in JavaScript. So I am maximizing little bit. So first point, JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is process of object representation in JavaScript language. It takes less memory to show complete object data compared with any other programming languages. So here it takes less memory to show complete object data compared with any other programming languages. Fourth point, so it is called as lightweight object format. So it is called as lightweight object format. So it is called as lightweight object format. Fifth point is JSON format is, so this is the JSON format representation. About representation now. Here. So these are the open bracket, closed bracket. So here JSON format representation, we need to pass key after colon value, semicolon, second key, colon value, like this key. 6 point. Here JSON format representation, open bracket, closed bracket, inside this key, colon value, comma, key colon value. Key must be placed double quotes. Values, if value is string, we need to place in double quotes, but if value is integer, long, boolean, then we need to place here. So here one, these are the brackets. Here one indicates one object, here open bracket and closed bracket, it indicates one object. Key must be placed in double quotes, double quotes. Here like so, key must be placed in double quotes. These are the double quotes. Between these double quotes, here key must be placed double quotes. So as value is placed in double quotes only if type is string. Here this is the double quotes. Value is placed in double quotes only if type is string. 9 point, JSON/serialization. Serial like JSON. JSON/serialization. It is a process of converting Java object into JSON format. JSON serialization. It is a process of converting Java object into JSON format. JSON deserialization. Deserialization. JSON deserialization. It is a process of converting JSON to Java object format. Object format. Here, serialization is nothing but we are converting Java object into other format. In JSON, we are converting Java object into JSON format. Coming to deserialization, JSON, we are converting into other format. In this Java scenario, we are converting JSON into Java object. So, 11 point, I will draw a diagram about JSON structure. So, JSON structure diagram. So, paint, open paint. So, example, this is an example structure. So, public, suppose take student class, public class student, open close brackets here, private long SID, semicolon, private string S name, private string student course name. So student class is there. In this class, 3 fields are there. So next create a student Java object diagram. Suppose assume this is a student object, student Java object. Yeah, 3 fields are there, right? So yes, ID, suppose 1001, yes name, suppose my name Shankar, yes course, name, suppose this is a BTech course, BTech. Yeah, right. So I will now JSON structure. JSON look like these brackets nothing but one object, right? Every key must place it under double quotes. TC, SID, SName, course name. These are the keys. SID, colon, SName, colon, S course name, colon. These are the keys, right? We need to place here values. In values, first is long. So 1001, comma, S name. It is a string. String must be placed double quotes. Suppose one name. I'm giving my name. Next semicolon. Here, as course name. It is a string. Course is a string. Then double quotes. Course name. BTech. See, this is the JSON. There, this is JSON structure. So I am pasting here JSON structure diagram. Control Z. Snapshot. This is the most important interview. For interview. Control V. Here, this is the Java class. So we are converted into Java object. After that, this is the JSON representation or JSON structure. This is the JSON structure. So 12 point JSON converter APIs. JSON converter APIs. Few APIs are there. By using we can convert Java object to JSON and JSON object to Java object, XML object to JSON object, like that. So to convert object, this means object to JSON, JSON to object, vice versa. JSON format we should use here we should use one converter API. Few are given below. These are few of the APIs we can convert Java object to JSON, JSON object to Java by using these. One here, JSON converter, JSON converter API. Second one is JSON. JSON is nothing but Google is provided. Google API, JSON converter API. Third one, JSON hyphen B. B nothing but here binding or JAX-B converter API. By using JSON-B binding a JAX-B converter API, we can convert XML to Java object to XML. Remaining this we can convert Java object to JSON, JSON object to Java object. Here, next point, these converters supports two operations. These converters supports two operations. Here, these converters support two operations: object to JSON, object to JSON, and even JSON to object conversion. So last point, any converter may use final output is same. Input and output never gets changed. Here, any converter we use final output is same. Input and output never get changed. Here, these are the most important points about JSON theory. If any interviewer asked about what is JSON, you can explain these points. You can also try to write a diagram, JSON structure, and so I will repeat one more time. JSON stands for Java object. JSON stands for JavaScript object notation. Here, first point is JSON stands for JavaScript object notation. It is a process of object representation in JavaScript language. It takes less memory to show complete object data compared with any other programming languages. It takes less memory to show complete object data compared with any other programming languages. So it is called as lightweight object format. JSON format representation. Yeah, this is the open bracket, closed bracket, insert. This is called a one object, insert key value pairs. Key must be in string, double quotes. Value, if value is string, must be in double quotes, else like you can give without double quotes. Here one bracket indicates one object. This is called one object. Key must be placed in double quotes. Here key must be placed in double quotes. Value is placed in double quotes only if type is string. Value is placed in double quotes only if type is string. Remember, JSON serialization. It is a process of converting Java object into JSON format. JSON serialization. It is a process of converting Java object into JSON format. JSON deserialization. It is a process of converting JSON to Java object format. JSON structure diagram. See, this is the Java object. Java object were converted into. This is the Java class. Here, this is Java class. Java class were converted into Java object. So after Java object were converted into JSON structure. So JSON converter APIs to convert object to JSON format and JSON format to object, vice versa. We should use one converter API. Few are given below. Jackson converter API, JSON, Google converter API, G means Google converter API, JSON B. B means binding, JAX-B converter API. This is usually called XML converter. Like we can convert Java object to XML like that. In future videos, next videos, I will explain about JSON converter API. I will explain about JSON converter API. In next videos, I will explain about JSON converter API. These converters support two operations, object to JSON and even JSON to object conversion. Any converter we use final output is same. Input and output never get changed. This is most important interview question about JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a process of object representation in JavaScript language. It takes less memory to show complete object data compared with any other programming languages. So it is called a lightweight object format. JSON format representation. This is called one object, open bracket, closure bracket indicates one object. Key value pair. Key must be there in double quotes, colon, value. If value is string, we need to place in double quotes. Here one brackets, open bracket, close bracket indicates one object. Key must be placed in double quotes, value is placed in double quotes, value is placed in double quotes only if type is string. JSON serialization, it is a process of converting Java object into JSON format. JSON deserialization, it is a process of converting JSON to Java object format. JSON structure diagram. This is the student Java class. We are converted student Java class into student Java object. After that, we are converted into JSON structure. Here, JSON converter APIs, Java supported few JSON converter APIs are there to convert object to JSON format and JSON format to object format. We should use one of converter API. So few are given below. JSON converter API. This is mostly used. Next videos I will explain about this. JSON converter API. J means here Google. JSON B converter API. JSON B we can also call it JAX-B API. JAX-B converter API. Here B stands for binding. These converters suppose two operations, object to JSON and JSON to object conversion. Here conversions. Any converter we use, final output is same. Input and output never get changed. This is the most important interview question about the JSON. Everyone must prepare before going to any interview. Here, these are the 14 points, very important. Next video, I will make for JSON Converter API. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.